Lacey, and I'm with the Lacey Lace Foundation. And we're here today at this festival just to promote our Belizean charity, okay? So basically what we do is we do pantry for Belize, and we also give back to the less fortunate in Belize. Today we have a raffle going on, so you can get all of this stuff for $5 for a ticket. It's either $5 or 5 tickets for $20. All the proceeds go towards our pantry system in Belize, okay? And you can reach us at the Lacey Lace Foundation on Facebook, or the phone number is 224-440-8595. Again, I'm Lacey with the Lacey Lace Foundation, representing Belize. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. This is Priscilla Treats, and we are all about sharing the popcorn with the world. So if you love popcorn and you want to get some, go ahead and follow us at Priscilla Treats, and our Instagram is Silly Popcorn People. You'll love it.
Hi, my name is Monique Bannister, and my business name is Amazing Creations. I can be reached on Instagram at MUUSIQUE88, and I'm on Facebook at Monique Bannister. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tawana Griffin. This is my sister, Latoya Johnson, and we're Double Take.
Yes.
We're located inside Oh Yes Hair Design in Zion, Illinois, 2689 Sheridan Road. And we sell paparazzi jewelry, $5 for any piece of sets or earrings or bracelets or rings. And we also sell African shea butter scented in several different scents. Yeah, our fragrances are?
Our fragrances are baby powder, which is one of our top sellers. We also sell tropical, which is another really good seller. It's strawberry as well as mango, and we sell lavender as well. Yeah.
Yes. All right. Oh, our website is www.doubletake.com. It's doubletake.com.
Hi, my name is Eunice Henderson. I am the owner of Illusions Medi Spa in North Chicago. We provide IV hydration drips. We also have a medical weight loss program sponsored by a licensed physician. And we also have cavitation, RF therapy, lymphatic drainage, and pre and post operative care. Our website is illusionsmedispa.com.
Not only I can talk about feel good, you feel like feeling. Dances under my cheek, beach we're alone, baby, just the two of us. In every move you make, give me some more feeling. Oh no, then why some more? Let's show me that love, unconditional. Make believe we here and alone, just you and me. What's the problem? Sleep and the eye, don't let it show. Go baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, yes I feel good. Once you perfume is loud, not only I can talk about. Feel good. The sweat over your face, it feels so good, I might have to replace. This moment is magic. magic, so I leave it alone. Until you say, honey, try to go on. Oh no, and then you whine some more. Show me that love unconditionally. And make believe we here alone. Just you and me. Face the problem sleeping behind you. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good. I feel good. Cause if I feel me set down, not only I can talk. Natural beauty. Never met some child until I see your eyes. Still I have to try. Oh yes, I made me get my words right and then approach. I wanna treat you like a man is supposed to. But I have to cry. I know everyone can relate when they find a special someone. She's royal, yeah, so royal, and I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind. Oh no, the way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. What a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be no cutie. She's a queen, so supreme. Yeah, away the ask what a good woman's made of. She's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yeah, so royal, and I need her in my life. I never knew anyone so I know kind. Sounds so green, yes, will I die? I know the king and queen from same time. Your life will never leave the side. Stick with me through these trial times. Yes, as she says she don't mind. Alright, I know you're a yes hard to find. I know she cannot do what that China line. That's why she has no ties in this time. I know many men are trying. She needs more than wine and dine because she's royal, yeah, so royal, and I need her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind till the light that I see in her eye.
My name is Randolph.
Don't fight it.
From the TV channel right there. Addison Community Channel TV, Caribbean TV World right there. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Coming to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, my brethren, Nego Heights.
Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man.
Them get beaten up but repeatedly. I am the king of kings and of lords, conquer land, trouble, Judah. Holy Emmanuel, I Celestia, David Who's gonna stretch for the errands and take my children out of Babylon. And tell me who, cause I don't see no one who can take us safely to the promised land. Tell me who's gonna stretch for the errands and take my children out of Babylon. And tell me who, cause I don't see no one who can take us. Give me a mix from their hands and take my children out of Babylon. How you feeling? Take it down, 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 down. Now I come from a small country called Belize. I wear a prime minister that's misbehaving. I live in a big country called America. I have a president that's misbehaving. So I like to come and correct these people when they go wrong. So let me talk to the president, them. All I wanna be leaders and none of them no worthy. I say it loud and clear, I hope you heard me. Leading people astray, work them night and day for so little pay. Oh, it hurts me. In a Babylon, sufferation marks out. The wealthy but the poorer class get boxed out. Every credit card done already maxed out. The check we in a bank is already taxed out. Money no make get but it don't spend. Said them care it's only pretend. Wolf and sheep boys could never be real friends. In this time it's just when I recommend. Who's gonna rise to the occasion? Who's gonna rise and take the stand? Who's gonna rise as the chosen one? Who's gonna rise? Who's gonna rise? Who's gonna rise? Wanna know now. Yeah, take it down, down, down. Now Chicago, how you feeling? If you give thanks to life, make some noise. Yeah, man, when I wake up this morning, it's a beautiful gift. Yeah, give me the next thing right away, cause the time short. I want to big up Michael Block backstage for squeezing I the time and the space. But it's set to do this for you right now. All the beautiful ladies, scream! Beautiful ladies! Come here, girl, and let me dust you off. Take you to the bottom, brush you off. You're a diamond in the rough. In you I see so much. You're not Picasso but a work of art. And the Rastafari that means a lot. Take my hand and come along to the show you want. Where them say it's not all that glitter is gold. You're like the other half that has never been told. Oh, what a beauty my eyes behold. You're worth more than the money can be bought or sold. Little rough around the edges to the naked eyes, but under the microscope when magnified, you possess beauty inside, so dignified. And you feel be my bride. Come here, girl, and let me dust you off. Take you from the bottom and wheel it up. And before I go on the stage, give me the next one. Come here, girl, and let me dust you off. Take you from the bottom and a brush. You're a diamond in the rough. In you I see so much. Who knows this like a lunch? Let me see the heavens that says like a lunch. That's all. Give me this. Try cry, even tears, even my heart cry. But who cares? Who fault no one but myself? Things do happen when dead. Wheel it out there, extra. If you pay taxes in the US, let me see your hands. Make some noise if you pay taxes. If you're a taxpayer, just know that you buy all the guns and ammunition the police use to shoot us. So when you see the police shooting the black youths, it's taxpayers' guns, taxpayers' bullets, because we buy them. So right now we are gonna need fire for police. If you want to burn them, so burn them. And I hear you man say burn them. Give me a mix. Jump, jump. invading my privacy in the name of security. I go by the name Big Eyes. It was a joy. I give thanks for the time and the space. May God bless and keep you all. Remember, we gonna be walking
Michael Black, backup singers coming to the stage. And don't go nowhere, all right? Because we got Michael Black coming up. That's the headliner right there. But here is his backup singers coming to the stage. Come on.
How's everybody feeling?
Don't take it way back.
One dance, just won't do. One dance, just won't do. You think one dance will do? Then I'll go home with you. You're crazy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for Michael Black? That's who's coming to the stage right now. Are you ready? Let me hear over the side. Are you ready for Michael Black? Let me hear you again. Are you ready for Michael Black? What about this side? Are you ready for Michael Black? All right, coming to the stage. Put your hands together for Michael Black.
Greetings in the name of Most High. Oh gosh, alright, oh gosh. In this time, when you are free mind to get real. Jah, Rastafari, greetings in the name of the Most High God, Jah, Rastafari. Whoa, whoa, yeah. My brethren, oh gosh, in this time, man, you are free man. You get carried away by captivity, carried away by captivity. In this time, in this time, yeah, my brethren, in this time, in this time, in this time, yeah. I told them, sell Jah for 30 pieces of silver. Jah remain forever. He maga come with lightning and thunder. In a this time, everybody. In a this time, in a this time, yeah. I told them, sell Jah for 30 pieces of silver. Jah remain forever. He maga come with lightning and thunder. In a this time, in a this time, in a this time. Delilah know what she want to know. Samson him bound to get a blow. Birds tangled by them feet. Man I go tangled by them tongue. So we no wrestling and so it must be done in a this time. We love them to Rastafari.